So today's project, we're going to make a card. So we need paper, we need stamp colors, we need cardstock, and we need stamps. They're right in front of me. So today, let's start with our paper. And then let's get our grid paper green. And let's get some stamps. Let's get our ladybug. And let's close our stamps. Then let's open our grid paper green. Let's open this. Yes. I can't get it. So there. Then I stamp my ladybug. Let's put a green ladybug. And I stamp ladybug. Green ladybug. Stamp ladybug. Green ladybug. Stamp ladybug. Green ladybug. Stamp ladybug. And green ladybug. There's more to do, so might be bored. Then let's close it. Huh? These are what I did. Little ladybugs. And now I'm gonna get my cherry cobbler yellow and close.
Read the name of it. It's not cherry cobbler. Cherry cobbler is red.
Oh, it's called Yo-Yo Yellow, and this one is
turn around. It's on the front.
And this is Jaguar Green. Green Jaguar.
Green galore.
Green galore. So I'm going to close it, then open my yellows. So we're going to close that. Then get a ladybug. Stamp it yellow. Get a ladybug. Stamp it yellow. Get a ladybug. Stamp it yellow. Get a ladybug. And it's going to take a while, so I can do it all.
And when you finish stamping it, hold it up for the camera again. Right?
Here's what I did.
Good job, Red.
Yellow of them. So I'm going to dry that off. I need some cardstock. Scissors.
I need scissors. It's right here.
They're right over here. When I say markers, and I don't have any up here, then I'm going to use those markers. How about the top ones?
No. Those are my good markers. Try something else.
What markers could I use?
No markers. Your stamp.
So, I'm sorry that other video doesn't film. This video is the same video, but I already did the stamping. That's okay. last time was part 1. This is part 2. So let's open our green Galar and open it. Close. Here's green Galar. This is yellow. Yellow. And then I'm gonna get a different stamp. What stamp could I get? I'm gonna get a birthday element with an elephant.
You coming again?
Yeah. I'm doing part 2.
Okay, perfect.
So I'm gonna stamp the birthday wishes. Big birthday wishes. And the elephant is not there. I'm gonna add a little mud puddle. That would be brown. I got crayons too. So I could draw the mud puddle. Here's brown, so the mud puddle. I'll ink it in. There. I'm gonna add little footprints. That'd be my finger. That'd be the little ladybug's footprint from the mud puddle.
The ladybug stepped in the mud puddle.
They're walking over. This. Next time I'm gonna do part 3 with the rest of their footprints. Bye for now. I'm gonna do the rest by myself. Okay, welcome to part 3. Now I'm gonna do the green footprints. Green. There are always gonna be green footprints right now. I'm gonna add a water puddle. That's blue. So I'm gonna color a water puddle. That's green. They're all falling in the water puddle. Forgot to cut it into a little. So here, I'm gonna have a little song. I'm gonna cut. So I'm done cutting. Now, Big Birthday Wishes is cut out. I'm gonna get this and get. I'm gonna go get an element down. Welcome to part 5. Next, I'm gonna take this off. This tape off. I'm gonna open it and see on the inside. So I'm gonna have my extra cardstock. Got my stamp. I got my block. And I'm gonna tape the stamp back on. Gonna do that. Okay, here's part 6, and so I got my card, and I am gonna add a little text box. There. Okay, I got my box ready. Close that. And go right Where's that black crayon? E. Happy birth. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. There. Now, let's do the end of the card. Let's do this. Let's write EXIT. Let's add some lines for your text. And then let's add inside things like, let's color in. So I'm gonna cut this cardstock there. And I'm gonna draw a square, then square. Then I'm gonna draw a stick, a torch, and then another stick, and a torch. That's why I made a cake. So you might see a cake, but I'm gonna fold this so it can pop out easily. Stick it. That's a pop-up. Boom.